Hello everyone. So today I'll be talking about how to terminate the ants. So as you can see here, we can see that the ants are in the house. Now, as soon as you see this, you need to find out the root cause. So after finding out, I can see that these are coming from under the crown molding. So for that, you need to deal with the root cause so that the ants do not come into the house. So the first root cause is avoid food in your house. Avoid spilling of food in your house. Second is you need to find out where they are coming from outside the house. Let's see that. Okay, let us go to the backyard of the house. Okay, now as you can see, these are coming from this particular point. There is a new ant hill very close to the foundation, and this is where they are coming into the house. And if we stop this, if we deal with this, then the ant problem in your house will be tackled. In order to deal with the ants outside your home, you need to buy this diatomaceous earth, which is food grade. So first thing is, food grade diatomaceous earth is non-poisonous, but it can cause respiratory irritation, so please avoid inhaling it. And this is the applicator, and you need to buy this for the proper application of the diatomaceous earth. So as you can see, I'm going to I have opened the cap, okay, and filled it with diatomaceous earth, and then I'm going to spray like this. So I'm going to spray like this. Okay, this is how you deal with the ants that are coming from the backyard into the home. And now as you can see, this ant hill, now how to deal with that. So the ants will be huge in number. If you are not worried about the quantity of diatomaceous earth use, then you can just use this tool in order to add the diatomaceous earth into the ant hill. So first of all, loosen the soil so all of the ants are exposed, okay, and then you can add this. Okay, so these are the two different application types. Okay, what it does is it kills the ants and they will be exterminated. So this is how you apply with the applicator. And applicator one is very intelligent because this is going to do targeted application and is gonna kill the ants. But if you are dealing with ant moles, then you can use this tool and directly apply. Okay, so this is about the finding the root cause of where the ants are coming from and how to deal with them in the house. And please do not apply diatomaceous earth inside the home because it can cause respiratory infections. and respiratory irritation. But if you are not afraid of it, if your respiratory health is absolutely perfect, if you want to spray a little diatomaceous earth into the corners of the house, you can do that, but I would not recommend it personally. So as you can see, the ants are having trouble navigating, so they fill up the pores of the ants in their body, and they are ultimately terminated.